Hello everyone, and today we're looking at the pros and cons of using the Roblox web version in 2025. You see, the Roblox web version is still a viable option, primarily due to its instant accessibility and flexibility on various devices. However, it generally offers some disadvantages. Let's look at them. One, let's start with the pros. Now, you get instant access. You see, users can start playing immediately by clicking a game link without needing to download or install a separate app. 2. Wider device coverage. Because this is a web version, it runs on systems where app installations might be restricted. For example, school computers, shared devices, or low-end hardware like the older Chromebooks. 3. Lower system resource usage. Some users report that the web version uses fewer system resources like RAM, CPU, and GPU than the desktop app, making it suitable for less powerful machines. Next, faster updates for developers. You see, changes and bug fixes by game creators in the browser version can be deployed and accessed instantly without waiting for App Store approvals. And the last advantage is user flexibility. Some users prefer the web version for its perceived speed and the ability to use certain browser extensions and plugins for quality of life improvements. Let's look at the cons. What are the disadvantages of using Roblox web version? Number one, suboptimal performance. Suboptimal performance. You see, the dedicated desktop app generally offers better performance, better stability, and potentially higher frame rates than playing through a browser. 2. Limited hardware integration. The browser version may not fully leverage local processing power or advanced graphic abilities compared to the app, which has been optimized with a major engine overhaul in 2025. 3. Dependency on browser quality. Yes, the experience can vary depending on the specific browser and the settings, whereas the official app provides a more consistent environment. Next, mobile limitations. The web version is not an option for mobile users who must use a dedicated mobile app to access the platform. Next, parental control issues. The new desktop application released in September 2025 has had some initial issues integrating with parental control softwares like Microsoft Family Safety, which may affect consistency in monitoring across platforms. Last, no multi-instance launching. You see, launching multiple game clients simultaneously for multi-accounting is easier with specific desktop methods or third-party tools, which is not available through the standard web interface. So you see, in 2025, the web version remains a convenient, low-barrier entry point, but the dedicated applications are designed to provide the most complete and robust experience. Hope you found this video helpful.